What's your name?
Just call me Tom.
Just call me. Yun ang name niya. Just call me. What again?
Tom.
Tom. Tom. This is Pakitong Kitong.
Tom, Pakitong
Kitong.
Yes.
Are you Chinese?
Nationally, I'm Australian, but I'm from China.
You're Australian? Oh my gosh! Congratulations! Bakit?
Nagsabi na Australia, nag-ano ka na kaagad?
Hindi na ako makakita ng taong ganyan, no? Australia? Hindi, bakit ba? Ano pa tanong nyo?
Ako nga magtatanong sandali. So, how old are you? I'm 34. 34? That's my favorite number! Baka matanggal ka.
Sorry. Mga kaibigan, dumating na ang Kura Paroko.
Umangat, nakita nila, may isa pa akong noo. Nakakahiya.
Like, what do you do here in Hong Kong?
I'm doing payment business.
You're doing a business?
I'm doing payment.
Oh. So, what's your problem? Wala siya problema. Hindi kasi naintindihan, kaya...
Anyways, you are so good looking.
Yes.
You are really handsome. Are you single? Well, I have a girlfriend. It's okay. I also have girlfriend.
It's okay, Chad, because I'm his girlfriend.
Gaga, hindi. Pet ka niya, pet.
Do you find... This is Lassie, this is Chad, and I'm MC. Do you find Lassie beautiful or ugly? Can you tell me the truth?
Handsome. Ako magtatanong.
Okay.
Tom, how do you find me? Did you find it?
How did you find it? If you're going to...
Ito kasi...
Okay. Okay, I will try. Tom?
Alam niyo ang hihina niya sa English. Ganito, kayo magtagalog, ako magta-translate.
Sige.
Translator. Ano ang gusto niyong sabihin, ita-translate ko.
Kunyari, wala kang girlfriend. Yun.
Kunyari, wala kang girlfriend.
Ano ba ita-translate mo?
Sabi ko yung sasabihin ko din. For example, you don't have a girlfriend. English.
Sinong pipiliin mo? Ako, MC, si Lassie, o si Chad? At kung ako naman ang pipiliin mo o isa sa amin, bakit ako ang pinili mo? Anong katangian ko ang meron sa akin? Bakit ako ang pinili mo? At sa tingin mo, ako ba talaga yung magugustuhan mo? At ipapakilala mo sa pamilya mo, dadalhin mo sa Australia para magkaroon ng magandang ending at kasalan.
Ano? Sira ulo ka. Translator ako, hindi computer. Ano? Did you hear that? Amongst the three of us.
Yes. Who will you choose to be your girlfriend if you have no girlfriend at all?
Yes.
Okay.
You choose.
By choosing, you will embrace.
Yes.
Embrace.
Embrace, and then you do the significant Filipino tradition. It's a Filipino dance we call kaldag. Okay, so you embrace and then you do the kaldag.
Okay. You practice.
Okay. Like this. We call this in the Philippines kaldag. Kaldag, it's a Philippine dance, and you do it by partner.
Yes.
Okay. You embrace your partner, and then you kaldag.
If you choose one.
Just one.
If you want two more attempts, let's go to the hotel.
If we will be girls, if we will be real girls, and you don't have a girlfriend, who would you choose and why would you throw her?
Hindi ma-throw.
Okay. Wait. You go there.
Okay, you hug and you kaldag. Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, choose.
Oh my God! Sandali. We forgot this is a new rules.
Yeah.
What?
If you are chosen,
You will be
you will
eliminated.
be eliminated. So
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but sorry, you are eliminated.
Sorry.
Okay, just
Ano to, parang Miss Universe?
Oo, ganun elimination yun. So just the two of us.
Two of us.
Okay, come here.
You choose.
Okay,
Just the two of us. She is already out.
Eliminated.
Okay, eliminated.
Yeah, I'm out.
Siyempre, para-paraan.
Ano ba
Para-
natin natin?
Okay, hindi makakalamang si Bongbong.
Dapat tayo.
Okay, you will choose between the two of them. Okay?
I need more transparency.
Yeah, you choose the winner. You choose the winner.
So you choose the winner.
Okay.
Choose the winner. You do that thing again.
Oh, he's crying already.
Oh, hindi ako umiyak.
I need more transparency. Without something, I mean,
Without the pants?
Without the pants.
Without the pants? You want it without the pants?
Okay.
Hindi na. Ay, pero thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Uy, palakpakan naman natin.
Take it off.
Take it off.
Grabe, no? Oh, wala na po.
Ang gwapo, no? Diyos ko, nakakita din na lalaki. Ang dami kasi babae ngayon dito. My God.
Para mas tayong gusto.
May nakita kang babae dito, kamukha ng nanay ko.
May nakita akong babae, kamukha ko rin.
Anyways, good afternoon once again mga bossing. Nag-enjoy ba ang lahat?
Ayan, nag-enjoy. Pero sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa amin, muli magpapakilala kami. Ako po si MC.
Ako po si Lassie.
Ako po si Chad Kinis and we are the
Best Batalyon! Sabay-sabay talaga lahat, di ba? At syempre,
Kaya naman, gusto namin sabihin sa inyong lahat ng sabay-sabay, Happy
Kapangyawan Friendship Festival!
at syempre,
Kapangyawan pala, yung ibig sabihin ay...
yung
Friend, kasi ang pangyaw ay friend.
Oh,
Yung pangyaw, friend. Ito, pangit.
Oo, pero tinatagal pa rin, pangit. Ayan. So syempre, napakasaya po namin nga nandito kami ngayon para makasama kayong lahat.